We are doing some tax time tips with Lisa Greene-Lewis, a CPA tax expert for TurboTax. Thanks so much for being on our show. We always appreciate having you here. Well, time is a-clicking. What advice do you have for people who have yet to start working on their taxes?
First of all, don't panic. You still have time to file your taxes. Second, gather your documents all in one place. So any of those forms that report your income, like your W-2s or 1099s. And then don't forget about receipts or forms that show expenses that could be deductible as well. And then you want to go online and e-file with direct deposit. That's the fastest way to get your tax refund.
What about people who think they might need an extension this year?
Yes. Well, first of all, if you can file by the deadline, I would try to file. Last tax season, close to 75% of taxpayers received a tax refund over $3,000. So that's a lot of money, and you want to try to get your refund. But if you have to file an extension, you can file a Form 4868. To file that extension, you have to do that by the April 18th deadline. And then just remember, if you owe any money, that extension, it's only an extension to file. It's not an extension to pay what you owe.
What options are available to people who want extra help on their taxes?
Yeah, if you need extra guidance, you could come to TurboTax, and you can either do your taxes yourself and get guidance, or you can hand your taxes off to our TurboTax Live full service tax experts, and they can prepare your taxes in one meeting.
Is there a fee for that service?
Yes, there are fees for that. And it just depends on, your tax situation, whether you're a homeowner, an investor, or self-employed.
Many people, as you know, are investing in crypto. What should new crypto investors do when they are filing their taxes?
Yeah, so if you experience any crypto losses, you can offset those losses against any capital gains. And then if you have a net loss, you can deduct up to $3,000 from ordinary income, like your wages.
What options do people have if they owe the IRS?
If you owe the IRS, they will work with you. You can go on an installment agreement, and that allows you to pay over 6 years.
What are some reasons that people might see a smaller refund this year?
Yeah, so people that have already filed, sometimes there's adjustments, if they make a small error, or maybe they leave out a tax form because the IRS, it gets reported to them any income that you earn. So if you leave that out, the IRS may do an adjustment.
Any other advice?
Yes, for those that are filing, and you may see a lower refund if you last tax season were eligible for provisions under the American Rescue Plan. Just remember, some of those did revert or go away. So like the child tax credit for 2021 was up to $3,600. That's now $2,000. The child and dependent care credit, if you were eligible for 2 or more kids, that was up to $8,000. That's gone to $2,100. So that's just something to keep in mind.
We'd love to have you here. Thanks so much, and happy tax season.
Okay, thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.